Good morning, everyone. As you can see, Hurricane Melissa has rapidly strengthened overnight and now at a category 5 hurricane. Yes, people, it is now at a category 5 hurricane. What does that mean for us? It means that this little monster, she has become stronger, and we have to take all the necessary precautions. It is as of the 5 a.m. advisory 24 from the National Hurricane Center. The center of Hurricane Melissa is located at 16.4 degrees north and 77.8 degrees west, with a maximum sustained wind at 160 miles per hour. 160 miles per hour, making it a category 5 hurricane. It is still moving slow in a westerly direction at 3 miles per hour. Yes, so this little monster is still moving slow, which is very concerning and potentially dangerous for us. So I will keep you updated as we go along. Please keep safe, my fellow Jamaicans.